Welcome to the PC Error Detective YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step how to uninstall driver updates in Windows 10. If you find this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to the channel for more tips and guides. Step 1. Start by going to the Start menu. You can find it in the bottom left corner of your screen. Step 2. From the Start menu, click on Settings, which is represented by a gear icon. Step 3. Once the Settings window opens, select Update and Security from the list of options. Step 4. In the Update and Security menu, navigate to Windows Update, which will be on the left-hand side. Step 5. Under the Windows Update section, click on View Update History to see all the updates installed on your system. Step 6. In the Update History window, you'll find an option to uninstall updates. Click on it. Step 7. A list of installed updates will now appear. Carefully look through the list, find the specific update causing the issue, select it, and then click on Uninstall to remove it from your system. And that's it. Thanks for watching.